First, humans learn to frustrate their lives because of the fear of death, but that frustration is not desirable. Second, rain is the test that life gives us, but we must overcome that ordeal and build up our strength. Third, if we are obsessed with pride and bravado, we will not live a true life. Fourth, rather than just crying or repeating in words, you should show determination by acting on reality. Fifth, if you find yourself true, even in the rain, you will gain greater strength and wisdom. Sixth, our lives depend on the choices and actions of a moment. Let's be humble, patient, and brave to move on. What the result is in the face of a life test, so-called visory, we must show courage and determination to find our true self, even though sometimes frustration and failure can happen even if it interferes with us. We must not give in to the challenges that have been given to us and move forward. It is important to move toward a better tomorrow with humility and patience rather